Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make Langar style Kachumber. Now how is it different from our normal usual Kachumber? At home we just make it plain, flavor it with some lemon juice or vinegar and add green chillies, coriander leaves. But in Langar they add pickles. Imagine the onion combined with pickles, and they also put some green chilies, some carrots into it. Instead of serving the salad, pickles and kachumber separate, they combine everything together and serve it along with the langar ka prasad. So let's make this langar style kachumber today. Langar wala kachumber, a spicy and tangy mixed vegetable salad flavored with Punjabi pickle. We have taken 2 large onions sliced finely, 1 carrot peeled and cut into thin strips, 1 cucumber peeled and cut into thin strips, a small bowl full of fresh coriander leaves, salt to taste, 1 heaped tablespoon of Punjabi mango pickle. Here we have lemon for juice and 2 green chilies cut into thin strips. Now wash your hands very well because the mixing has to be done with your hands. Transfer the onion into a larger bowl. Salt goes in first. We are going to crush the onion well with salt. Crush it very well so that the salt brings out the juices from the onion. This is the way it's traditionally done. Even in dhabas they make kachumber with hand. Now this is done. Next we add the pickle. Now Punjabi pickles are made with mustard oil usually. So make sure if you are not using this Punjabi pickle, you add 1 or 2 teaspoons of mustard oil. You can add raw if you like the zing. If you don't like it very strong, you can warm it up, cool it and then add. Because the mustard oil gives the flavor to this kachumber. Now the other ingredients go in. Cucumbers, fresh coriander leaves, carrots. You can even add radish if you want, the green chilies, and squeeze out the lemon juice. You can skip the green chilies if you don't like, or you can even finely chop them into fine pieces. Mix everything with a hand. Now this is to be done gently. Mix everything together. Now this is done. You can dish it out into a serving bowl or a platter. This makes a very nice accompaniment with the meals. It's such a lovely, colorful, spicy, tangy medley of flavors. Even looks very presentable, isn't it? You can even make this in your parties when you entertain people. So instead of salad and kachumber separately, you can make a combination of both. So make and enjoy this langar wala kachumber. Interesting, isn't it? Friends, if you are enjoying my recipes, do share them with your friends also. And if you have any recipe request, do leave a message in the comment section. I shall soon be back with another interesting recipe for you. Until then, happy cooking and have a nice day. If you are a first time visitor, do subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to get notifications whenever I upload a new video. Here are some more videos from my collection. Check them out in case you have missed watching any. Take care. Bye.